Your 11th question is Bonohemi synonyms. Your options are A. Friendliness, B. Warmth, C. Cheerfulness, D. Rudeness. Your correct answer is option A. Friendliness. He greeted everyone with a smile. Your 12th question is brands synonyms. Your options are A. Support, B. Strengthen, C. Reinforce, D. Weaken. Your correct answer is option A. Support. Your 13th question is brat synonyms. Your options are A. Naughty child, B. Mischievous child, C. Spoiled child, D. Polite child. Your correct answer is option A. Naughty child. The brat made a mess in the room. Your 14th question is breach synonyms. Your options are A. Break, B. Violation, C. Gap, D. Repair. Your correct answer is option A. Break. There was a break in the wall. Your 15th question is breakthrough synonyms. Your options are A. Discovery, B. Achievement, C. Success, D. Failure. Your correct answer is option A. Discovery. The scientist made a big discovery. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Your 16th question is breezy synonyms. Your options are A. Windy, B. Airy, C. Fresh, D. Hot. Your correct answer is option A. Windy. It was a breezy day at the beach. Your 17th question is brevity synonyms. Your options are A. Shortness, B. Consciousness, C. Brightness, D. Length. Your correct answer is option A. Shortness. Keep your answer short. Your 18th question is brisk synonyms. Your options are A. Quick, B. Lively, C. Energetic, D. Slow. Your correct answer is option A. Quick. He walked at a brisk pace. Your 19th question is brutalize synonyms. Your options are A. Abuse, B. Mistreat, C. Harm, D. Protect. Your correct answer is option A. Abuse. He hurt the animal badly. Your 20th question is bulky synonyms. Your options are A. Large, B. Huge, C. Massive, D. Small. Correct answer is option A. Large. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. Your 21st question is bull headed synonyms. Your options are A. Stubborn, B. Obstinate, C. Headstrong, D. Flexible. Your correct answer is option A. Stubborn. He refused to change his decision. Your 22nd question is bumptious synonyms. A. Arrogant, B. Proud, C. Overconfident, D. Humble. Your correct answer is option A. Arrogant. He talked in an arrogant way. Your 23rd question is bustle synonyms. Your options are A. Rush, B. Hurry, C. Activity, D. Stillness. Your correct answer is option A. Rush. The market was full of rush and noise. The 24th question is cadence synonyms. Your options are A. Rhythm, B. Beat, C. Flow, D. Silence. Your correct answer is option A, rhythm. She walked with a steady rhythm. Your 25th question is calculation synonyms. Your options are A. Computation, B. Estimation, C. Counting, D. Guess. Your correct answer is option A, computation. He did the calculation on paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos.